Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting software called TrafficWave Generator. It's perfect for affiliate marketers, bloggers, and e-commerce businesses. Let's explore its features and pricing. Are you struggling to drive traffic to your website? TrafficWave Generator will rescue you. It's a one-click software that turns any keyword and URL into profit-generating content to drive targeted traffic on autopilot. With its automated functionality, you can set it and forget it. Traffic will flow continuously, 24/7. No more manual labor, just fast results. It connects you with targeted buyers and provides 100% free traffic all year round. TrafficWave Generator has built-in AI that generates unique titles and descriptions for your content. Stand out and capture your audience's attention effortlessly. It also provides DIY templates for your campaigns, making it beginner-friendly. Accessible from any device, you can manage traffic and content creation on the go. To maximize your results, TrafficWave Generator includes premium training. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this step-by-step guidance will equip you with the knowledge and skills to succeed. In conclusion, TrafficWave Generator is the ultimate solution for free, targeted traffic and content. Its one-click software, automation, and AI set it apart. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your online ventures to new heights. The personal license is $27 and the commercial license is $37. Visit the official website for accurate information. Thank you for watching.